Hours turn to minutes, the alarm goes off again. Another cruel reminder that time is not my friend. Time keeps on changing, but the days never do. I tell myself the lie that today is something new, but it doesn't matter what I say when it's another rainy day in Boston. Oh, life and repeat, life and replay when it's another rainy day in Boston. Surrounded by great giants on this rain-streaked street, humanity melts away against the harsh concrete. There's a mirage in front of me, out of reach, a looming shadow over my shoulder. The dreams I had for when I got older, now just the 9 to 5 over and over and over. Doesn't matter if I melt away when it's another rainy day in Boston. Oh, life and repeat, life and replay when it's another rainy day in Boston. Oh, in Boston. And everything fades to black. I want my old life back before I lost my sense of me, trapped in perpetual reality. When everything is shades of gray, doesn't matter if I go or stay when it's another rainy day in Boston. Oh, and it's another rainy day, yeah, in Boston, in Boston, in Boston. Soaked through but not broken, set my alarm again, reset my expectations when another rainy day in Boston ends.